So this is day 2. So last night I cleaned up the office. I've set this table. Reminder, I'm not sponsored by Ignite. Just let you know. So far, Ignite has helped me get to where I am now by supplying, just helping me get my hands on the YOKOMO. Also, shout outs to Wandy. Let's go. Oh shit. Yes. Oh wow. What do we have in here? Okay. So we have, oh god, I never thought I'd be doing this unboxing stuff. I know some people are not really into it. We've got that. I think this is oil and grease. So I'll show this camera too. We've got a whole bag of all wrapped up. And the bottom chassis. Sorry, I'm just reading the box. This is what we're hoping to build. 110 rear-wheel drive competition chassis made in Taiwan. Made in Taiwan for JDM, but anyway. Okay, wow. This is some option parts that you can get. I guess this is a newsletter of some sort. This is the YOKOMO team. Damn, look at them. Going. No idea what this means. Support package. Yo, look at this guy. Tsukuba Off-Road Festival. How cool is that? Alright, so that's that. And then we have, this is so cool, it's all Japanese. YOKOMO stickers. Hell yeah. Gonna put this on my real car. Alright, okay, I'm guessing this is just showing the option parts, aluminium upgrades, charger, battery, servos, just like all YOKOMO branded things. So cool. What is this? A ticket to heaven. Alright, we got our mail. This is some of the items I'm gonna need. Sorry, you can probably skip over this. This is pretty boring, but I just want to go over this because I paid money for this. I want to go through each little thing and just marvel at the amount of effort and energy that's gone into this stuff to put it all together. I'm really grateful because just marveling in the little details of all the work and focus and attention that it required for someone to just put together, double check it all, create the instructions. Well, we got a lot of moving parts, guys. And crazy facts, I've never built my own chassis from scratch. So I used to go around boasting to everyone that I'm into RC drifting and all that, but I used to buy most of my kits almost ready to run, almost built, ready to build. It's almost complete, 90% complete, 80% complete. And I knew how to change a motor, take a servo out, the pinions and things like that, remove a shock or make a little adjustment, but I've never built one from scratch, from start to finish. And I could have purchased this kit already made, but I wanted to just have the experience of building it myself. Well, you gotta build your own shocks here. I just wanted to experience building it myself, and I think they say that's part of the fun, to know that you put in the hard time, effort, and energy to build it yourself, know each individual part of your own car. To do that and then to see it drifting on the track is gonna feel a bit more special versus me just buying a ready-to-run kit and just jumping on the track. I don't think I would appreciate it as much. Okay, wow, so that is cool. This is a exploded view of everything that we have to create. So that's that. Start this up. Fresh plastic goodness. This is our chassis. So I know it's a bit on black's probably not the best for this. This is our chassis. And then we have all these bag. Oh man. It's gonna take me a good amount of concentration to get this done. Wow, it's so much stuff. We've got, let's just take one bit the bag, organize it. We've got bag 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We need to build all of this, put it all together. It's crazy, man. It begins. Getting a little overwhelmed, but a good overwhelm. Oh man, I'm just like, I've had breakfast, I just woke up, breath stinks, did a quick gym session. This is happening. Amongst all the things that Ignite hooked me up with, they also gave me wheels. But when I say hooked up, I don't mean they gave it for free. AK, the owner of Ignite, supplied this gear for me, and I paid for it with my own money. Gave me some wheels, so I got wheels and some plugs. And so I haven't got a soldering iron yet, so I definitely need to get a soldering iron, but there is a magnetic body pins, which is so cool because I don't know why we never thought about this earlier, because back in my days we would have to punch a hole through the shell and it was so bad. But now you've got these really strong magnets that hold the body shell together. How cool is that? And they're adjustable and genius, I mean, very genius. So yeah, we'll talk more about that later, but they've got specific tires now. Back then, like I said, we used to use plumbing, PBS, ABS, plastic plumbing pipe. And then I think some random companies started making their own ones. HPI and YOKOMO started creating their own as well. But apparently this is the go-to now. DS Racing, they are competition, meaning that if you compete in this world of RC drifting, everyone has to use these drift tires. Back. It's a site. We need to start. So these are all the items. I've just been fluffing around, taking photos, blah blah blah. But I'm gonna really try and focus and get into this now. Daughter might wake up soon, but the first things first, we need to open this up and get to bag 1. I'm assuming it goes in order of bag 1, yep, to bag 2, bag 1, 2 is like steering, sweet, bag 3, alright, cool, gotcha. Alright, so we're gonna I'm gonna put this in order. What I'm gonna do is, I need sharper pliers. Should have prepared this. I should have prepared this earlier. I can use this, man. It's not very. I can dent it. I'm just gonna use these, man. Alright, screw it. I know some people be like, "Oh my god, dude, why would you do that?" We have a 43.5mm front bulkhead that goes here. Is that right? Did I cut the right piece out? 43. Should be. And the back is a 57. So we have a 43 suspension mount and a 57 suspension mount. Alright, here goes. Where is this going? This is going that way and there. Sorry, I'm kind of skipping ahead a little bit, but I just wanted to record me taking this shell out. I just wanted to a friend just asked, an old friend that used to be into drifting was like, what shell did you get? I was taking some photos and then I just wanted to, yeah. This is the S14 by Pandora. It's a Nissan S14 Kuki, wide body. It comes with engine bay, rear bar, and yeah, canards and all this sort of stuff. But fun fact, I've never ever properly made my own drift body. Cut, prep, paint. So it's gonna be really fun to do. I'll be back. Just gonna do a quick coffee break with this Summer Crush iced coffee and ice cream. Cool story, bro. I'll be back. Yo! Sorry, I had to do a quick break, but it's 10 AM now. I started at 7, 8 and all I've gotten is up to this point. Okay, we're gonna have a coffee. This is the iced coffee I put in here. And we're gonna have breakfast. Yo, speeding up these next few parts. This kit took longer than I expected. I'm obviously trying to squeeze this in with my everyday as well as being a dad. And yeah, it's been tough. It's been good days, bad days, and it's just taken a really long time. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and following the journey so far. And stay tuned for some more.